Mia's Maid. If this is your first time here, my name is Mia and welcome to my channel. I got something free for you. Subscribe. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so that you can know every time that I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my hair. So I'm going to show y'all how I got these passion twists, and I did them by myself. What? I did them all by myself, which is kind of mind-blowing. I was inspired by, I don't know her name. I don't know her name. She is on YouTube. I wasn't really a fan of how she did her hair, so I just looked at a whole bunch of videos and figured out what was best for me. This video is a little all over the place, so when you see the first clip, it's like 2 days ago. Okay, I'm sorry. And then yesterday is when I finished it, kind of last night, and then today I'm filming the intro. I'm gonna take them down so y'all can see how they look. Ooh, girl. So this is what they look like. They are extremely light. My head doesn't feel heavy. I slept good last night. Like, I love these. They're so cute. And then I just added like little pieces all around. So I just pulled some of these pieces out to kind of frame my face and make it a little more messy, bohemian, cute. So I did, ouch, I really hit my elbow and it hurts. Sorry. So I use the rubber band method, and the hair that I use is a Freetress crochet Bohemian braid 20-inch, and it is in TT27. Now I only used 4.5 packs of hair for all of this. Okay, and then the other major product that I used was the Lotta Body foaming mousse. This stuff was great. These were the top 2 things that I used and that I needed. Of course, you're gonna need a bunch of rubber bands and probably a couple of mirrors. I just love this hair. I love the style, everything about it. And the fact that I could do it all by myself means that you can do it by yourself, because I don't know how to do weave. It's just not my thing. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this style here, which is very new and different from my channel, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a nice and positive comment below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. So I started off with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. It's full of conditioner and coconut oil and all kinds of moisturizer. So I started off by parting my hair into the different sections, and then I put my subsections in that, as you'll see. So I just parted them into little squares, trying to do the brick method so that they don't fall directly on top of each other. And I put some edge control, the sticky kind, on the roots, and then tied the rubber band and pulled it tight. And then just twisted it up into a little 2-strand twist. This process had my arms hurting, but I was so happy to be done. These are all of the little parts. They're not perfect, but hey, it is what it is. So, okay, I know this is like really ratchet and ghetto, but whatever. Parts are done. Laid my edges to make sure I didn't put them in too tight. But I was gonna finish my hair. Like, I was gonna do it all tonight, but I got the wrong hair. So I got the Brazilian braid, and it's supposed to be bohemian. So I'm gonna take this back. Okay, so it's the next day and I got the right hair, so let's try again. Now y'all real close. Y'all real close, but I only have 4 more left. So I have these 4 left, and I thought I would show y'all how I do them. So what I do is loosen my rubber band. So I just pull it like that. Go on and pull them all. This is the most ghetto video I've ever done. Not ghetto, but it's just like poorly thrown together. For the front, I'm only using 2 strands. So this is a strand, this is a strand, okay? To split, I just take it in the middle and just literally run my finger through. Some people do it like where they pull it apart. It just doesn't work for me, okay? I tried and I'm losing hair because I keep making knots. So I just literally pull it like that. And do the same thing to the other side. Just run my thumb through it. Okay, so this is how much I split it. I don't know. This is what I do, okay? I go to the end and I start to twist it like this and loop it around my finger like that. I'm gonna go across like this. Take my hair from my finger, put it in, and if you only do the end, that's all you gotta pull through. You don't have to pull the whole thing through if you do it through the middle. So I do it like that, make sure it's even here. Now I take this apart, the part that I, you know, my little twisty or whatever, and I pull it to make my root tight. And then I comb through it and separate them into the 2 sections. Now I take my lotta body and put 1 pump on 1 hand like that. And I just start twisting my hair, keeping it pretty tight. It's trial and error. Once I get to about right here, I kind of ease up on my tension. And you see how it's curling up like that? That's how I know I'm going the wrong direction, because it's gonna be like that. So instead of doing the whole braid and then find out, you just do that much and you start over, but twist it in the other direction. So I want to leave like that much out. I take some Eco, and I just put it on the ends like that, and it'll make it curl up. So then I just kind of give it a little twist to find those curls, and that's it. So for the parts that are not on my edges, I used 3 strands to make it a little thicker. So I have 3 strands, taking it in the middle, and I'm just doing the same thing, separating it with my thumb. So I'm just repeating the same steps, separating it with my thumb. Go ahead to the end and twist it up, slide it through with the crochet needle, pull it tight, put some mousse on it, start twisting. It's really easy. So as you can see, this side is a lot shorter than this side. So I'm just going to take a piece from that side to make it longer. Ouch. And then just keep braiding or keep twisting. So I'm going to stop like right here and grab a little piece like this. It's a good one. And I'm just gonna take a clip and clip it out the way and keep twisting my hair. Styles like this really show how big my head is. So I'm gonna pull this pin out, put a little gel on that piece. Boom! Oh my gosh, I'm done! So now I'm gonna put some edge control on these edges. You also probably want to oil your scalp. I know that I have a lot of coconut oil in my hair right now. And that is it, guys. It is so easy. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, informative, all of that. It has been a while and my braids are still holding up. I've been out of town. I've been on vacation. I've done pretty much everything in it and they still look great. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.